Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how you can customize task colors in Todoist, a perfect way to personalize and organize your tasks better. Let's get started. The first step is to launch Todoist on your device. This might seem obvious, but it's crucial because you can only customize your tasks within the app. Now that we've done that, let's move on to selecting a specific task. Click on the task you want to customize. This helps us because the color customization is specific to each task, not a blanket setting. Next up, look for the Edit Task icon and click on it. The reason we do this is to access the customization options for that specific task. This could be a pencil icon or a gear icon, depending on what version of Todoist you're using. Let me explain why this matters. Customizing your task colors can significantly improve your visual organization. It allows you to quickly identify different types of tasks, making your to-do list more intuitive and easy to navigate. Now, you'll see various options for customization. You want to find the color code option. Click on it, and a color palette will appear. This is where the fun begins. You can choose any color that suits your preference or purpose for that particular task. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you select a color, Todoist associates that color with the task. Each time you view the task, the color you chose will be displayed, making it visually distinctive from the rest. Once you've selected your color, don't forget to save your changes. This step is crucial because without it, the color won't be applied to the task. Hit the Save button, and voila, your task now sports a fresh new color. To wrap things up, customizing task colors in Todoist is not just about personalizing your tasks. It's a strategic way to streamline your workflow, making your tasks visually organized and easy to identify. And that's it for today's tutorial on how to customize task colors in Todoist, your complete guide for 2025. Thanks for joining, and remember, organization is the key to efficiency.